Welcome back to Top Tech Growth Hacks, the podcast dedicated to helping your business thrive with the latest in tech strategy.
And I'm Jamie, ready to dive into a topic that can make or break a business's operational efficiency, ERP implementation, specifically for Canadian SMEs looking at Odoo.
That's right, Jamie. We often hear about ERP projects going sideways, and it's a staggering statistic. 70% of ERP projects fail to meet their original objectives. And guess what? The platform itself, like Odoo, is rarely the problem.
Exactly. The article we're discussing today really highlights that crucial gap between buying an Odoo license and actually running a unified, efficient operation. The difference almost always comes down to the implementation partner.
It's like building a house. You can buy the best materials, but if your contractor doesn't understand your blueprints or skips crucial steps, you're going to end up with a mess. A great Odoo partner, for example, maps your processes before touching a single module. A mediocre one? They jump straight into a demo and give you a generic system you'll be fixing for months.
That's a perfect analogy, Alex. And this article provides a fantastic ranking of the top 10 Odoo implementation partners in Canada, evaluated on things like completed project volume, industry specialization, Odoo certification, client reviews, and post-go-live support. It's not just about who can install it, but who can make it work for you.
So what separates the truly strategic partners from just generic installers? The article points out that most ERP failures trace back to missing process mapping, data migration treated as an afterthought, or skipping end-user training. The right partner tackles these head-on.
Absolutely. You want a firm that plans data migration meticulously, offers custom module development when native features aren't enough, integrates with existing tools like Shopify or QuickBooks, and provides post-go-live optimization, including training and health checks. And increasingly, partners are bringing AI and automation layers to reduce manual work.
That's a huge differentiator. And speaking of differentiators, let's highlight a few from the list. Glorium Technologies, for example, really stands out. They're praised for AI-enhanced Odoo deployments, especially for manufacturing, supply chain, and e-commerce. They even have a proprietary no-code AI agent builder called Cogni Agent.
That's next level. And they boast a 99% client satisfaction rate over 150-plus projects. For Canadian businesses, Odoo Canada is highlighted specifically for their expertise in Canadian tax, payroll, and financial compliance within Odoo, which is critical for local operations.
And if you're in Quebec, ARC-TI, an Odoo Gold partner, is excellent for bilingual organizations, with 6 full-time CPAs on staff. They were even named Best Partner in North America in 2020 and 2022. That's serious credibility.
For those with really complex manufacturing needs or multi-channel fulfillment, Kudio is a great choice. They even built a reputation for rescuing failing projects, 33 Odoo implementations fixed from other vendors, which is pretty impressive.
Wow, that takes a special kind of expertise. And for businesses that want to maximize out-of-the-box Odoo with minimal custom code, Odoo integration is recommended. They prioritize client autonomy, which can be a big cost saver and give businesses more control.
And don't forget Port Cities, a global player with over 500 implementations, perfect for import-export businesses with cross-border supply chains. They offer 24/7 support in 9 languages.
Incredible reach. So for our listeners, when making that final decision, the article boils it down to 3 key questions. Does the partner understand your industry? Can they show measurable results from similar projects? And will they support you after go-live? These are non-negotiables.
Absolutely. Pay close attention to their discovery process. If they're not mapping your processes before configuring anything, that's a red flag. The ones who do consistently outperform those that rush to demos.
Sage advice, Jamie. Choosing the right Odoo implementation partner is arguably as important as choosing Odoo itself. It truly dictates whether you achieve those growth hacks you're aiming for.
Couldn't agree more. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks.
We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks.